Understanding the type code for the CE06250 CD drives. The CE06250. C means it is a compact drive. E indicates the drive has encoder feedback options. 06 means the drive has a current rating of 6 amps. 250 indicates the drive has standard hardware with a 230V logic input option. FAQ. What is the drive's rated output power? The rated output power is 2.2 kilowatts. What is the drive's rated input power? The drive has a rated input power of 2.8 kilowatts. What is the operating temperature? The operating temperature is between 0 and 45 degrees Celsius. What is the storage temperature? The drive must be stored between -20 and 70 degrees Celsius. What fault protections does the drive have? The drive has overvoltage, undervoltage, overspeed, and feedback loss protective features. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Service Star CD sales and replacements.